core is not just about abs, especially after 40. Today, I'm taking you through a yoga trapeze core focused sequence, but it may not be the core workout that you might be used to. We are talking about integrated strength. We will be connecting your core to your upper body so your arms, your shoulders, your back all feel strong, supported, and stable. And this type of training is especially important in midlife. It matters more than ab isolation work because our bodies thrive on coordination and connection, not just intensity. So instead of crunching, we are going to lengthen, lift, stabilize with the help of the yoga trapeze to build that functional strength. For the start of this sequence, we will just need the handles, so you can remove the hammock, have a seat on the floor, holding on to the low handles, and start with some toe taps to warm up the core. From here, we'll switch to the middle handles to start alternating between the boat pose and the reverse tabletop, contracting and expanding through your core, engaging the legs, keeping your back stable and strong. You can take it as far into the reverse tabletop as feels comfortable for your back. Keep the breath flowing, find your perfect pace. Go for 7 or 10 reps. From here, have a seat, take your low handles, and find a forward fold to relax. Release your low handles and take your middle handles to start boat twists, bringing knees to chest from left to right. Keep your upper body strong, pulling into those middle handles, uplifting through the spine as you go. After 7-10 reps from side to side, let yourself take a couple of seated cats and cows, hands behind your thighs. Inhale, arch, and exhale, round. From here, we will be going into bridge lift. So lie down on your back, holding on to the low handles. Lift your hips up into the bridge pose, and then straighten your right leg. You will lift and lower the straight leg up and down for the count of 10, pressing into the handles. As a variation, you can always keep your hips down as well. And once you're done with one side, take a moment to take a little break, lower your hips down, take any micro movements, and then lift the hips again, straighten your left leg, and let's bring left leg up and down for 10 more counts. And now, still holding those low handles, we will come into reverse crunches. Pressing into your handles, lift your hips up. And you can decide how high you want to take those hip lifts. You can start closer to the ground. And then as you get comfortable, you can feel the lifts going higher. And maybe if that feels comfortable, you can take them all the way, legs over your head into the plow pose taps. This is just a little progression for you to work on as you get more and more comfortable with those lifts. Bring your knees to chest, rock on your spine from side to side, and then gently start making your way up to standing. We're coming into the back hammock chair pose with the hammock resting below your shoulder blades. And from here, lift your heels up, keeping yourself on the tippy toes. Lift one knee to chest at a time, alternating from side to side, focusing on the strong upper body, bringing your knees to the chest. Make sure you're breathing. Inhale and exhale. For a more challenging version, you can try to bring both knees to chest by pressing your hands strongly into the sides of the hammock. This is a challenging move. You can always opt for one knee towards the chest at a time. From here, make your way to have a seat in the hammock. We will take it into the alternation of the boat pose with leg lifts into the supported wheel pose. It will probably remind you of the first move we did on the floor, our boat into the reverse tabletop. So in this one, you will lift your legs, keeping back nice and strong, pressing into the middle handles, and then release into the back bend. Go as far as feels comfortable for your back. Upper body stays strong. And then once you're done, you can relax in the supported wheel pose with the hands in the handles, or you can grab your ankles if that feels good. From here, holding onto your middle handles, start leaning back and bring your legs up, straightening them up towards the ceiling. And now pressing strongly into your handles. Think about lifting your hips slightly up off the hammock and pulsing your legs towards the head. We're building upper body strength, your ability eventually to hold your body up in the air with your arms, also working on that grip. We'll finish this practice with some moves on the high handles. So grab those high handles, bend the elbows, point the elbows forward, and start hopping from one side of the mat to the other, trying to bring your knees as high as you can. And once you've done a few of those, see if you can bring both knees now towards the chest. It is a challenging move, but give it a try. And then when you're ready, relax in the supported bridge pose by bringing your hammock low about ankle level and bringing your hips into the hammock. As you stay here, you can shift your hips from side to side, soften the belly, relax the pelvis, and breathe.